Hello everyone, welcome to Binti Binjai Arise channel and Facebook page. How are you today? I hope you are very good today. Okay, now we will keep going on lesson 36, which talks about the Garden of Gethsemane. So in this video, we're going to learn 6 vocabulary words together. So are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, for the first word we have success. Success. Success spelled S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. Success is a noun. For example, the secret of success is hard work. The secret of success is hard work. Word number 2 is successful. Successful. Successful spelled S-U-C-C-E-S-S-F-U-L. Successful. Successful is an adjective. For example, I hope you are successful in business. I hope you are successful in business. For the third word, we have poison. Poison. Poison spelled P-O-I-S-O-N. Poison. Poison is a noun. For example, please keep the poison from the kids because it is very dangerous. Please keep the poison from the kids because it is very dangerous. Word number 4, we have poisonous. Poisonous. Poisonous spelled P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Poisonous. Poisonous is an adjective. For example, the medicine is poisonous if you take in large quantities. This medicine is poisonous if you take in large quantities. Okay, word number 5, we have friend. Friend. Friend spelled F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Friend is a noun. For example, my friends and I like watching movies on Friday nights together. My friend and I like watching movies on Friday nights together. Okay, the last word we have friendly. Friendly. Friendly spelled F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Friendly is an adjective. For example, everyone was friendly to the new neighbors. Everyone was friendly to the new neighbors. Okay, alright everyone. So this time I want you to repeat after me. Success. Success. Successful. Successful. Poison. Poison. Poisonous. Poisonous. Friend. Friend. Friendly. Friendly. Well done everyone. Okay, before we end the video, please let's learn how to spell the word together. So I will call the word and then you spell. So are you ready? Okay, let's spell the word. So everyone please spell the word success. Okay, good job. Okay, now please spell the word successful. Good job, everyone. Please spell the word poisonous. Yes, good. Now please spell the word friendly. Wow, very well, everyone. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please try to spell all of the words that we have learned. And if you want us to help all of you, please comment in this video. If you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link above or below. See you next time in the next video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye. God bless you.